Did you know that ignoring a check engine light on your Audi could cost you hundreds or even thousands in unnecessary repairs? That's where the right OBD scanner comes in, giving you instant insights into your car's health, from engine performance to airbags, ABS, and even transmission systems. But not all scanners are created equal. Some just scratch the surface, while others give you near dealer-level diagnostics. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best OBD scanners for Audi that combine performance, compatibility, and value, so you can make smarter decisions and save big on repairs. All the links are in the description. Let's dive in. Number 5. Ancel VD500 OBD2 Scanner. Kicking off our list is the Ancel VD500, a true VAG specialist built for Audi, VW, Skoda, and Seat vehicles. It's perfect for DIYers who want more than just a basic code reader, offering access to ABS, SRS airbags, transmission, and SAS systems. Beyond diagnostics, it handles essential maintenance like oil service reset, EPB pad replacement, and throttle adaptation, tasks most generic scanners can't touch. The VD500 shines in real-world scenarios, like retracting electronic rear calipers during a brake job. Its compact, rugged design with a backlit display makes it intuitive, and it's more affordable than the Foxwell NT510 Elite. Though it lacks advanced bidirectional active test functions, compared to entry-level options, it's a plug-and-play lifesaver for Audi owners who want a dependable tool without breaking the bank. What really sets the VD500 apart is its reliability over multiple vehicle generations. Users report that it consistently reads fault codes on older and newer models alike, giving clear guidance without confusing menus or ambiguous results. If you're a weekend DIYer or tackling more advanced repairs, this scanner will save you hours and unnecessary trips to the dealership, while giving you confidence in every repair you attempt. Number 4. Foxwell NT301 OBD2 Scanner. Next up, the Foxwell NT301, a University powerhouse for all OBD2 compliant cars, not just Audi. Its strength lies in engine diagnostics and emissions testing, with full 10 OBD2 service modes, live data graphing, and freeze-frame capture for when faults occur. The patented red-yellow-green LED readiness indicators make smog checks a breeze, especially for used car inspections. While it doesn't dive into brand-specific systems like ABS or airbags, its data logging and graphing capabilities outshine many budget tools. Compared to the Ancel VD500, it's more versatile across brands, but less deep for VAG-specific tasks. One of its biggest advantages is ease of use. You can plug it in, read codes, and interpret them quickly without extra software. In practice, drivers love that it simplifies diagnostics for multiple cars in a household, or for enthusiasts who work on different brands. It's not just a scanner. It's a preventative tool that can alert you to problems before they become costly headaches, making it ideal for those who want reliable, actionable data without needing a technical background. Whether it's checking emissions readiness or troubleshooting recurring engine codes, the NT301 delivers consistency, accuracy, and peace of mind every time. Number 3. VidDiagTool VD10 OBD2 Scanner. If you want simplicity without sacrificing reliability, the VidDiagTool VD10 is a glove box essential. It's an entry-level scanner that quickly identifies check engine lights, freeze-frame data, and IM readiness, helping you distinguish between a loose gas cap and a serious misfire. Its compact, ergonomic design with a backlit LCD makes it easy to use even in dim garages, and the plug-and-play interface means no batteries or app setups. Compared to the Ancel VD500, it doesn't offer deep VAG system access, but its universal compatibility for multiple brands makes it a high-value choice for budget-conscious drivers who just want fast, accurate diagnostics on the road. Real-world users love the VD10 for its portability and speed. It's small enough to toss in your glove compartment, yet it can handle everyday troubleshooting with surprising accuracy. Many drivers appreciate its durability and reliability over time, noting that even after months of regular use, it continues to deliver precise readings without glitches. If your priority is a simple, reliable, and always-ready tool to avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic, the VD10 fits the bill perfectly, giving beginners and casual DIYers a straightforward way to stay ahead of potential engine issues. Number 2. AutoFix 5600P Plus Fit for VW Scanner. Stepping up, the AutoFix 5600P Plus delivers dealer-level access for VAG vehicles, covering everything from engine and transmission to ABS, airbags, and even niche systems like sunroof and AC. It includes battery registration, throttle adaptation, EPB reset, and oil service resets, features that make stubborn proprietary codes disappear. Compared to the Ansell VD500, the 5600P Plus goes further with all-system scanning and battery matching, giving serious DIYers and independent mechanics professional-level control at a fraction of the dealership cost. Its rugged, ergonomic design with a TFT color screen ensures clear visibility, and in real-world use, it excels at clearing codes that leave generic scanners stumped. Audi owners with modern models will especially appreciate its ability to handle newer ECU software updates, ensuring even the latest vehicles can be serviced without expensive dealership trips. Beyond diagnostics, it also serves as a maintenance assistant, tracking resets and adaptations for multiple vehicles over time. Whether you're preparing for an inspection, maintaining performance, or troubleshooting odd system warnings, the AutoFix 5600P Plus offers confidence and control. It's like having a mini dealership tool in your garage without paying the dealership prices. And it's particularly appreciated by enthusiasts who prefer to tackle detailed maintenance themselves. Yes, VPOW OBD2 Scanner. Topping our list is the VPOW OBD2 Scanner, a versatile, professional-grade tool that combines speed, accuracy, and ease of use. It handles check engine and oil service lights, supports all OBD2 protocols, and offers live data streaming. DTC explanations on screen and IM readiness hotkeys. Compared to the Foxwell NT301, it matches core engine diagnostics, but at a more aggressive price, while outperforming simpler devices like the VD10 in speed and usability. Its rugged build, color screen, and plug-and-play interface make it ideal for pre-purchase inspections, roadside troubleshooting, or daily DIY diagnostics. One standout feature is how quickly it pulls and clears codes, even complex ABS and airbag codes that can stump other scanners. Audi enthusiasts praise its intuitive menus, fast response, and ability to handle multiple vehicles without needing updates or apps. If you want a reliable, standalone device with mere professional capabilities, the VPOW is hands down the best choice. Whether you're maintaining a daily driver or prepping a high-performance Audi for the track, this scanner delivers peace of mind, precision, and confidence in every scan, making it the ultimate tool for both casual owners and serious DIYers. Conclusion. So which OBD scanner should you get for your Audi? If you want full system access, ease of use, and excellent value, the VPOW OBD2 scanner takes the crown. The AutoFix 5600P Plus and Ansell VD500 are fantastic for VAG-specific maintenance, while the Foxwell NT301 and VD10 serve well for universal diagnostics. Choosing the right scanner saves you time, money, and countless trips to the dealership, keeping your Audi running like new. What do you think about these picks? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car tech guides. All the links are in the description.